little balls of fish up right there. Did you see that?
Okay, so tell them what we're gonna do today.
We're going to be doing a burping contest.
Chill. Okay.
Okay, so I'll start. We have to do a really loud, long one.
I can't do
I guess I won that one. Okay, to do a short, small, tiny one.
I didn't.
No, you didn't.
I win!
No, that was in your mouth. It can't be in your mouth. I won. Because you did it.
Why am I keep on losing?
Okay, just do a regular one. I won.
I win!
I did one.
I won that one.
You have to do 5 in a row.
I'll do it. Look up. Puke.
It went through my shirt. I spit. Now, what do you want to do? I have a pink cup in it. Hey, let's watch this. Let's see what it is.
Let's be wet. Let's be dating. So don't forget to smash that like button and share. Subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to smile. I like to say smile.
Hey, that was 2 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Exactly 2 minutes.
2:43.
Well, I'm going to try to beat that today.